What is up, you guys? Welcome to another video. We got the Ford F-150 Lightning Platinum Edition. This is the all-electric new Ford F-150. This is a 2023. It's brand new with literally 100 kilometers on it. Absolutely amazing, super cool. It's got some massive 22-inch wheels. Very cool. It's got lightning on the back, some wheels. Ford F-150. Super cool. Super cool. Boom, lightning. We even got the lightning symbol. That's where you charge it, right over there. Get your standard key. Boom. Beautiful interior. Platinum. Nice stitching. Crazy red color. Okay, let's jump in. Wow, that feels so nice and comfortable. Oh, it's even got the nice new car smell. So nice. Look at this massive screen. Holy. There's your range. Get your Ford Platinum seats. Holy, massive panoramic sunroof. This is crazy. Okay, let's start it up. Okay, so we start it up. It does have our Ford Build Tough seatbelt needed. Okay. Let's see the sunroof. How do you open it? Oh, there it is. Look at that massive sunroof on this car. Wow. The seats. Look at that platinum. So cool. Okay, wait, a little more. All the way. Boom. You get your massive sunroof. Freaking cool. Okay, and then the most important thing, the shifter. Put it into reverse. Get your 360 camera. Wow. Such a cool truck. Yeah, I know. I can hear that there's someone there. Boom, we're in drive. All right, let's drive this thing for a little bit. This thing is awesome. Wow. Holy, it's quick. It is extremely quick. Whoa. Oh, and the noise it makes too. This is so nice. Wow. Oh my God, it's so freaking fast. Yo, guys, this truck is incredibly quick. Wow. Wow, that is very quick. All right, let's test the 0 to whatever. That is quick. Oh my God. That is so quick. I don't know how quick that was, but this truck is absolutely amazing. Wow. Ford F-150 Lightning Platinum. This is an amazing truck. Look at that massive screen again. The steering feels so light. You don't even feel like you're driving like a pickup truck. Wow. Absolutely amazing. Got tons of storage space. Huge dashboard. You can see everything. Big viewing angle. It's so bright and comforting in here. You can probably play amazing music. The brakes feel phenomenal. Like, you can stop so easily. Like, it doesn't feel heavy. Wow. Very nice. Whoever is lucky enough to get this truck, you are so lucky. This is a I'm all about combustion and like internal combustion engines, and I love electric cars too, but this is the future. Like, this is so cool. Very nice. Absolutely phenomenal. Oh my God, and it's so torquey. It's got so much power and so much horsepower. This is crazy. Wow, and see, brake coach, it actually tells you how much energy you've returned. Like, that's so cool. Boom, put it into park. You can even drop the shifter down if you needed to. Boom, you just press that, and that's it. It's all flat. That's such a cool feature. And then you shut it off. Boom. That's it. That is so cool. Okay, I'm getting out. Wow, guys, this is such an interesting, such a nice truck. beautiful. Ford, well done. Massive screen. Wow. That is so cool. So cool. Close up the sunroof. Let's get some winter tires on this thing. So nice. Okay, guys. Let's get one last little view of the exterior. Quickly. Wow. Very nice. Beautiful truck. Absolutely phenomenal truck. Such a beautiful thing. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed that review and drive of the Ford F-150 Lightning Platinum 2023. I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.